Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you some functionality which can convert text columns. For example, see this text here. I will enlarge it. So you can see the first row, email, first name and last name as header, and that's in the single column and single row. And here I have one email, first name and last name, and here I have the email, first name and last name, and so on. So what I want to do here, I want to convert this in a separate columns. So normal way you can cut each thing and each word. For example, I'm cutting email from here and pasting here, first name here and last name. You can do that. So what is the easiest way is like you select this whole thing and go to data and click on text columns. So you will be presented with this small window. It's asking how you want to cut the data. I want to convert the data. So in this one we have the each column separated with comma. So what we can do, we can select this option delimited. Delimited means each column is separated with a special character. In the most of the cases comma, maybe it's a tab, maybe it's a space or any other character you can identify as common in between the columns you want to cut, want to separate. So in this one I am selecting as a delimited and click on next, and what I am going to do is Excel automatically identify the character delimited is comma. So I am selecting comma here. So you can see here like the first column is already converted. Second, this is the preview of the data you will be getting. Like first column is email and second column is first name and last column is the last name. So click on next and click on finish. So you can see that it's automatically converted. Like first is email, first name and last name. It's automatically converted this one. So let me show you another thing here. So I have the large amount of data like this in a text file. So you can see that this is a text file, and you have large amount of data here. So it's office number is the first column, office phone number, sorry, let me move. First column is username and first name, last name, display name, job title, department, office, and so on. This is like a text file you have. So you want to get this data in the Excel worksheet, a separate column like username in the first column. So in this case username is the email address and first name is first name here, last name, and so on. So what I am going to do like this, I am opening that file from my disk. So I will browse that from here. That's here is the file I have stored here. So when I open this file, let me close this back one more time. So let me go back again. It was opened already. So I opened this file. Where is that file is opening? Let me close this file 1 second. Okay, let me try one more time. Okay, close this one, don't save. I will open it back one more time. Excel, open Excel here. So opening this file. So now you can see that I opened this file in the Excel, Now it's presenting with that option we saw in the last time. So delimited with. So this case delimited with is comma. So uncheck this one. I'm putting comma. So automatically Excel detect the comma separation. You can see here everything is separated, and click on next and finish. So you can say that automatically it converted data to Excel workbook in a separate columns. See here. So in this way you can convert the column to text. If it's a data in the same Excel, you can convert data into data in this way. So I will show you another example here. I have 1 second. I'm copying some names in from my other screen to here. For example, if you have the data like this, for example, some names. This is maybe student names, whatever. Okay, so in this one you can see that all names, its first name and last name is in this 100 names here, from 0 to 101. 100 names are there. What I want to do, like I want to separate this in the first name separate and in the separate columns. Right now it's in the single column. You can see that it's in the single column. So I want to separate this in two columns. The same way you can use that functionality, text to columns. Go to data and there is an option text columns. So in this case my delimited is, you can't use the fixed length, you still need delimited, but in this case delimited is a space, not comma. So I'm using space as a delimited and click next and finish. You can see that it's already converted to first name to make it separate columns. So in this way you can convert the single column data to separate columns. That's a very good option for if you are manipulating with large amount of data. You can use text columns option here. And suppose you want to convert like the column data to row, means if you want to transpose this data. So I'll show you another option here. For example, let's make some data here. Let me delete this one. So I have sales information. For example, salesperson 1. I'm making some sales data here. So salesperson 1 and salesperson 2 and salesperson 3. So I have 3 salesperson here, and I have week 1 sales and week 2 sales and week 3 sales. So I put some random number here. It's just an example. It's coming. Oops. Some random numbers here. So just think this is a week 1 sale, the week's sales here, and this is the salespersons. So suppose I want this all week 1, week 2 and week 3 in the top, and salesperson here, salesperson 1, 2, 3 and here. So in this way how we can convert this data. I make this text heading, this as a text heading. I made it as bold, that we know, and give some borders like so that it will be looks like a table, like week 1, week 2, week 3, salesperson 1, 2, 3 and 3, and there is some data. So what I want to do is like salesperson 1 should be in place of here 2, 3, and here it should need to be. So you can manually do that, but the easy way is like you select this data and right click and copy, and go here and do a paste special, and in this paste special you click on transpose and click OK. So you can see that it's automatically convert the data from here week 1 on top as the row headings, sorry, column headings, and this goes in the row headings. So this also will be useful functionality in the Excel when if you manage with manipulating large amount of data. So I'm wrapping up this video today. So hope this video is helpful to you. See you in the next video. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.